the fascinating world of rockpooling, which is not only fun but educational. As the tide goes out, magical microcosms of our coastline are revealed. And experts say it's a really important way of engaging young people in marine conservation. Marcella Whittingdale went rockpooling in Rottingdean to find out more.
There it is! Yay! They're coming!
Searching through the seaweed, these intrepid explorers discover some rare treasure, a five-bearded rocklingfish.
I was looking under the rocks, and then I suddenly saw something trying to hide somewhere else. It was about this long, and I just looked, what is it? And then I was like, is it something? I found a fish.
This guided rockpooling session gives families a glimpse of the kind of wildlife that lives beneath the waves.
Well, inside the rock pools there's lots of different animals which you don't really know about until you come out and see them. There's multiple types of anemone and you can touch them if you don't touch their tentacles, which I didn't know. I've been more adventurous today and more adventurous to find little things.
Well, I've kind of learnt what things are called and what they kind of look like.
Well, all the sea creatures, how we definitely need to release them when we do rock pooling. And there are different types of seaweed. I never knew that.
Stretching from Camber Sands to Chelsea, the Sussex coastline contains a myriad of vital habitats and the vast array of life they support. Engaging these children in half-term fun is also an education in marine biology.
They've done a lot of walking, bit of slipping, appropriate footwear is recommended, and looking at the limpets and the wildlife and different species that we've never even heard of, let alone seen. They were fascinated. It was really lovely to see.
And can you see it's got bright red eyes?
But because the marine environment lies mostly hidden, experts say it's vital to make sure what's out of sight is not left out of mind.
It's really important to try and raise awareness with the public about what's out there, because if people don't know what's there, then they're not going to want to protect it. So it's as simple as that, really. Obviously, with the rock pools, this is one of the marine environments where people can actually go and see what's there. So it's a really great way to get people connected with nature and get them interested in marine wildlife.
The Trust say the Sussex coastline's particularly important because it boasts a chalk reef of special scientific significance, teeming with life, a habitat that's reflected in the rock pools here at Rottingdean. Part of a marine conservation zone, these chalk rock pools are particularly important because they took millions of years to form and they're irreplaceable. Also, the comparatively soft stone means creatures can burrow holes into them and create complex, significant habitats.
It's red with green dots all over it, like seeds.
To encourage as many inquisitive minds as possible, Sussex Wildlife Trust run these workshops free of charge, but also have lots of information online for those keen to have a go in their own time. And while information and inspiration are just part of their strategy to push for better marine protection, the Trust say the ripple effects of engaging the next generation could not be more crucial.